Wagwan no parties. Well, today is going to be on internet sensation Cheese. She claims that Macadam owes her more money as she did a promotional video for her and she would like the rest of her money. No one is taking her call, but this is what Macadam has to say.
One of the people them come a little bit because I'm not even a behave. I'm not behave like no old nigga. I'm not behave like no old nigga. I never had this morning or this evening because about 2 days now I'm not sleeping. You know how long I'm not sleep? You know how long I'm not sleep because I try to figure out enough little things that I say I go on the net. And I ignore it. You understand? So now, I got in my right senses this morning. I try to stay focused. I never drink tea yet. I just put on my tea. And I say I do that. I not spend more than 10 minutes. 10 minutes alone. 10 minutes alone I spend. And later about 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock tonight for my live, I really go give me history and what really go on the music. What go on coffee? Paradox what go on. I just go talk my things. I just something I have to address for 10 minutes. So now me in my bed same way from morning. I just go put on tea. I never brush my teeth good yet. And my ears of this girl named Cheese. That's my name. Cheese, let me tell you something. I'm going to tell you something, Cheese. Me know say me can't ban over back. Anybody who feel like say me ugly and me don't look good, me no care, me no give a fuck. Me can't ban over again. My mother never fuck a coolie man. She never fuck a Chinese. She never fuck a white man. She fuck one raw band tough black man like herself. So, as some come, I may accept it. If someone something name acceptance, someone on the dirty stinking girl on the don't accept it. Cheese, I'm gonna tell you something. It's me make your dad a the little food from Chivia. Me never want you to do no promotion for me. But you know say you're hungry. I end up on the net from a day and nobody not pay for do nothing. I decide say, I said, Chivia, you can link up Cheese now. If you wish to show your blood cash up, you can show say Macadam never send no money to you. I'm not busy with you. Me do one song with Chivia. Chivia be spend free money. Me not come like you, kill this girl. Me not come like you, me not spend money per man. Chivia wanting promotion and him have spending money. Me don't know how me dropping that money business with you. Idiot girl. Eh? You come talk about my wig them. Cheese, if me put on my wig them pan my broom or my mapstick, them look just like you. If me put on my wig them pan my mapstick and my broom them Cheese, it look just like you. You is the opposite of SpongeBob. SpongeBob MACKA sister. You understand? You're the ugliest brownie me ever see. You need to stop bleach dirty Cheese. Cheese bleaching no fit you. You want to turn browning. People who never see some browning were ugly, as so Cheese look. You is the ugliest browning per earth. Dirty, nasty Cheese. Your body gone over Africa left you. Uno can't style me, you know. Just because you see me going like me as an idiot, no for uno. Uno feel like say my mouth heavy. My mouth blood clot live like lighter than phone, you know. And that me I try to tell you, dirty Cheese. If me go for 2 wig right now and put on my broom and maptic, you look same way like them. Cheese, you cannot style me. Go and style Chivia. Because it's Chivia and you and money. I'm not explain nothing to nobody because I call the phone and I don't tell you the situation already and you insist, boy, you want to challenge. You're not fit and you're not ready for the challenge. You come with the fake video them, some long time video where your friend them have, you put the music behind it and the man say him don't like it and him not pay for that. Simple. Simple. And my problem that. And my problem that, my girl. Right? Dirty bleach out Cheese. What try look like browning. You're the ugliest browning. You're ugly like. You're ugly just like me. You stink just like me. The people them say, go shave out your arm. You come by internet and come diss me your arm want shave. Go shave a dirty stinking arm, dirty girl. Nasty girl. Me no want nothing where you talk about me. I look. Me no hunt down nothing. You never see me come and put no name to myself. Me no want nothing. Me no want no queen. Me no want no princess. Me no want nothing. No one go suck out on yourself and leave me alone. When Macadam come in this, me come by myself, me come talk about money. Me no come talk about no pussy nor nothing. Me no talk about nothing else but money. Me come different in this. You understand? Me come different in this and hold my own. The only thing you have, Cheese, is that board shop where you have over the yard. They look a board shop where you sell cigarette and lighter and couple cheese sticks and sit to some man when I stop just out. You can't style me. Cheese, don't try look like browning because it don't fit you. You're gonna be an ugly looking browning. ugly damn browning, just like me. So you cannot style me, cheese. Go on a tag trivia and tag trivia in a cheese something and cheese, leave me alone. Leave me alone, cheese, because in Jesus' name I done, instead of them obey me and them kill me off. I just see me there so I try figure out how me can cut and clear this obia. I just still come for my cases, man. Now what? Them set you upon me. Set you upon me. I wanted to dopey them. Cheese, I wanted to dopey them for my runway. Me not running now. Me not running. Because as we say, if me put my wig them pan my broom or my map them in my house, cheese them favor your bad. It them gonna be your twin. Because you don't look good, your arm one shape, and from the way you put out this video this morning that your arm one shape because that stink too. You cannot talk to me, cheese, because I never got England. I never got England go tea people close out a store and get the port. You cannot talk to me, cheese. Don't try style me. Don't try style good record MACKA Diamond, aka Charmaine Monroe. Go and check out my file. It clean like Jesus pum pum. You understand? My file is clean like Jesus pum pum. Do not style me. Don't style me, nasty girl. And talk about my wig them, because you can't pay for none of my ear them. You can't pay for, all if it's cheap, you can't pay for. All if a $10 ear me wear, you can't buy it. Because teeth on a teeth light. And itch up piece of wire upon the house top. And when police are coming to run, don't try me. Me gone here. See my boss I tell me say 10 minutes up. Yes, me for come inside. Me gone. Me not fool. Don't style me, my girl. Don't style me. Don't do that. Don't.